Just in. Here are the list of places with class suspensions for the months of April and May 2024. According to Philippine Atmosphere, Magandang araw po mga kaguro. Just in. Here are the list of places with class suspensions for the months of April and May 2024. According to Philippine Atmospheric Geophysical and Astronomical Services Administration, PAG-ASA, heat index is measured on the actual temperature that a person feels with the air temperature and humidity. Heat index from 33 to 41 degrees Celsius is already classified as extreme caution, while 42 degrees Celsius and above is classified as danger and extreme danger. Under the danger level, there is a possibility of heat cramps and exhaustion with a threat of heat stroke. While in extreme danger level 52 degrees Celsius and up, heat cramps and exhaustion and continuing activity could lead to heat stroke. In consideration of the health of students and teachers in the country who are experiencing extremely hot weather, here are the list municipalities and provinces that declared the suspension of face-to-face classes, half-day and whole-day, for the month of April and May 2024. Cebu Province, all levels until further notice. Municipality of Minglanilla, until further notice. Municipality of Manaoag, preschool to senior high school, public and private, April 15 to 16. Sarangani Province, all levels, public and private, until April 19, 2024. Manila City, afternoon classes suspended in public schools until May 28, 2024. Polytechnic University of the Philippines, all campuses until April 30 due to a reported series of transport strikes. Kung meron man kayong mga komento tungkol sa mga isyong ito, maaari kayong magbigay ng mga reaksyon sa comment section na makikita sa ibaba ng bidyong ito. Maraming salamat, at kung ikaw ay interesado ng mga bidyong tulad nito, mangyaring suportahan ang channel na ito sa pamamagitan ng pagpindot ng like, pag-share ng mga video at kung bago ka pa lang sa channel na ito, please subscribe sa channel na ito at pindutin ang notification bell at piliin ang all upang maabisuhan ka para sa mga paparating pang mga videos.